welcome back to DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I am sharing the last, I'm kind of sad, this was like so much fun. This is last but certainly not least of the packages that I have to share from Tmika's Scrap the World Happy Mail Swappers Delight. So this was number 5 in our group, and I've already filmed all of the others and I've already posted mine. So let's get into this. First of all, look at this gorgeous bag. I mean, this is so unique and different. I would have never thought myself to send happy mail like this. So this is an awesome idea. Like, I love this, and I certainly will not be parting with this bag. That is gorgeous. This goes great with the En Vogue collection. So number 5, okay, this was number 5 in our group, and this is from Gemzisle. This was the Swappers Delight September 2019 Shabby Group number 1 is what we are, and her YT is Gemzisle, so Gemzisle. Okay, so make sure you follow her and go show her some love if you have not already. And let's see what, oh my goodness. Oh, it says hello, gorgeous. And I feel like I say stuff like that to people all the time. Look at that flower. Wow, this is so pretty. Look at the colors. Just shabby chic makes me just so happy. It does not matter what colors you decide to put together, but it's just like all of the elements together. It's so much to look at. Everyone has a different take on it, but yet when you look at it, you know it's shabby. So she distressed the edges. The flower is so gorgeous. I love this tag. I love the saying. I love these beads. Look at the trim, and look at this. I could hang it up, which I will be hanging up in my craft room because it's going to look gorgeous in there. This is so pretty. I love it. I love it. After filming all of these, you know, it's one thing to open it up, you know, you don't want to take up too much time, but afterwards for each one I've been able to just sit there and really just take in all of the details. Look at these bows. I love these. First off, I don't have any of the size, and I love the material. I meant the texture on the paper that she used. These are gorgeous. These will look awesome on some gifts. I love that. I need to get some bows this big. I love this because obviously I won't be using these at all. Oh, I'm going to hoard these for a little bit because I got to meet some new ladies within a crafting community and we all share the same taste. Oh, this says you're just my type. So that's what was so fun about this swap, was that you were swapping with others who had like the same likeness in shabby chic. That doesn't mean we all like the same colors. Shabby chic can be done so many different ways, and it's so fun to see everything that everyone's created and their take on it. And then the last thing that she included were these gorgeous wooden stickers, and I love them. Friends become our chosen family. Yes, they are. You make me smile. Friendship warms the heart. Love this life. Us friends always. Lucky to be friends. These are beautiful. And I have a couple ladies that I could send something handmade with these on. Thank you. And I do not have anything like this in my collection at all. So Gemzisle, if I could give you a hug through the screen, I would. But thank you so much. I'm sorry for my voice. I tried so hard not to cough. And as you can see, as soon as I start laughing, my throat starts acting up. But I am so glad to have met you through this swap. Thank you again, Tmika, for hosting it. This was awesome. And I hope you all got some inspiration from all of these talented ladies. Gemzisle, this is awesome. If I borrow this idea, I will definitely let you know because I love that bag. Thank you again, Gemzisle. Thank you all so much for watching. And as always, and until next time, have a gorgeous day, doll. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.